Hello you guys, Cimplycece here and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing something I've been wanting to do for a very long time since I started my lock journey, my sister lock journey, and that is coloring my locks. So I'm not gonna really go into detail what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just show you guys it and slow down where I think you guys need it, but I'm really gonna apply color. I'm using some professional lines I've shared on my channel before that I'm a licensed cosmetologist. So let's get into that. I have my bag here, but it's nothing in it but the color. So anyway, the color I'm going to be using is, it's Chroma Silk and it is by Walnut. Sorry, I'm dropping things. And I'm going to do a mixture of things. This is the main color I want to be doing. This is a 6RR. This is what the ends of this is, but extremely faded out. So it's a only color I've ever done my hair all over with, and I absolutely love it. So to do this, I have bought 3 boxes of 6RR. Because I'm not using any type of bleach, I'm just going to use some Pravana's 30 Developer, which I hope is not a bad idea, but that's what I've used in the past on my hair to get the color to pop. I'm going to mix this up and then I'm going to apply it. How I'm going to mix it up, let me get my other bag of goodies. I'm going to start with mixing up just 2 boxes of the 6RR. I should have got 2 bowls and I only got 1. I have to get another one somewhere, but I'm going to mix it up in this bowl. To make sure I'm accurate on measuring, I brought my color scale home. This is by Fraymar, and this is just to get it accurate because I need to mix this color 1 to 1.5 ratio, and this is going to help me be as accurate as possible. So that's how I'm going to measure, and I'm going to apply it. And I'm gonna let you guys see that. But if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Cece and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining me on my channel. Appreciate each and every one of you. It has been a minute since I upload and I have quite a few new subscribers. So I do want to take a moment to thank you guys so much. I hope this video is helpful. Again, if you are not a professional, you never colored your hair or you aren't familiar with color, please do not jump into this blindly. It could be damaging to locks or your hair in general. So really, if you don't know what you're doing, do not try this. I have done this before and I know what I'm doing. So just a disclaimer there. But thank you guys so much for joining me. And if you do enjoy the video, make sure you like it, comment. If you have any questions, subscribe if you haven't. If this is your first time clicking on, please subscribe. It's fun over here. You know, I like y'all and I feel like y'all like me. So subscribe and make sure you turn on that notification bell so that you do not miss any of my uploads. And without further ado, let's jump right into this coloring video. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to do this for so long.
Sometimes I shave my legs and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I comb my hair and sometimes I won't.
Okay, you guys, so I am back. I've draped myself and I've mixed up my color. It looks like this in the bowl, so it's kind of like a pinky color, but I mixed it until it was creamy. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section my hair, probably into at least 4 quadrants. So I'm just do this real quick, just for convenience. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, since it's locks and penetration is very important, I know, because I've colored locks before, and I don't want my color to be spotty, like I miss spots, because it's the worst. I don't want to look like a tiger or a cheetah. So I'm going to, I got brushes, I'm gonna have these, but I'm using more on my scalp area and around my hairline, which I'm gonna do towards the end. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section this one into 2 sections. I'm gonna put a scrunchie up here, and then I'm going to go in really focusing on mid strands, and I'm gonna just dig into the color with my hands, and we're gonna see how this plays out. I hope this is good because I'm gonna use the mirror in front of me, and I want you guys to see what I'm doing. I did drape myself to protect from the colors, so now I'm just going in like so and just massage it into my locks. as close to the scalp as possible so it can be processed. I'm not focusing on the ends yet. I'll do that after I apply it to the scalp. So I'm gonna go all the way around, do my mid strands first. If the ends get touched, it's fine, but I'm not gonna focus. I just wanna do mid strands truly, and then towards the scalp, and then I'll do the ends. I'm gonna do this side, the back first, because I want stuff to process kind of like the same. So I don't want one side in the front to process faster than another side. So that's why I'm gonna go ahead, section this off and save this for later and do the front at the same time. All right, I'm gonna shift you guys to the other side so you can watch me, because I'm basically gonna do the same thing, but some people like to see the whole thing. So I'm gonna clean my hands and move you guys. Color is strong. The color is strong. The smell is like all up in my nostrils. But we are out. I did really good. So the first bowl is empty. I'm going to mix up some more color and then we're gonna finish the other side. You guys, I never have seen my locks this straight. And I'm like, look at us growing. Okay. I'm gonna move you guys again to the other side so you can watch.
It's like the devil trying to scare you. But then the angels come in and the angels, they let you know who's in trouble.
Okay, so I got that applied quicker than I thought. I'm gonna clean up my ears because I'm kind of itchy. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go back into my back section somehow. Let's see if I can pull it up. And then we're going to start applying it on our scalp now. And then once I get it all over my scalp, you can see, so I'm gonna just go in and we're gonna just put it on my scalp and then make sure we saturate that really well. And then I'm gonna let it sit in open air and process for 30 minutes. So let's do that.
I tried living apart from God. At times I was feeling so far from God. My faith in his people that left me scarred. The hatred and hurt was so bizarre. I thought that they would always ride for me. I cried but nobody replied to me. I questioned the truth inside of me. And right about then is when the devil had lied to me. Like, hold up, God got you, he don't ever show up. All those people less than I can know you. Tell you that you do it for the money, fame, power, trying to blow up. Why you playing games, how to grow up? You been reading Bibles and leading studies and hoping your little buddies, but tell me what it's really doing for you. They gon' still tell you you're fake and phony, it's someone your every motive. So what's the point in trying to keep it loyal? Then you have fake faith, you're starting to break faith. Can't even take bait, you hope for the same faith. Trying to go mainstream in order to reach folk. Ain't nobody rocking with you, especially these folk. I lost it, man, I'm drinking liquor in the plug. I used to pray and hit, but now I'm saucy. I'm losing money, I'm a lost profit. I'm making bad decisions every time I get exhausted. Lord, I don't even really know the real me now. Demons got me tripping, trying to kill me now. Sitting trying to figure who can help me get delivered. Send an angel in the Uber, come and heal me now. Evil, you ain't got no control of me. I'm never too far from the blood that flow from me. I lost a lot, but got too much again. I'll probably never be the same, but I ain't worried because I know they're storing me. I just suffer through the storm, no cap.
I'm just doing the same thing to the ends, just catching it on this side to make sure I didn't leave anything. And then I'm just going through and making sure it's massaged all over my scalp because saturation is key. I know I keep saying it, but it is. Because I don't want an uneven color. Okay. I think that's good. I'm gonna set me a timer for 30 minutes. And I don't know if I'll film me shampooing it out. It depends, I might. But yeah, the application I think is done and I'm pretty confident in it. So now we wait.
Some say the blacker the better, the sweeter the juice. I say the darker the flesh and the deeper the roots. I give a holler to my sisters on welfare, to my kids, if don't nobody else can. And I know they like to beat you down a lot. When you come around the block, brothers round a lot. But please don't fight, dry your eyes, never let up. Forgive but don't forget, girl, keep your head. And when he tells you you ain't nothing, don't believe. And if you can't learn to love you, you should leave. Cause sister, you don't need. And I ain't trying to cash up, I just fall them how I see. You know what makes me young? Has that. Brothers make babies and leave a young mother to be a man. And since we all came from a woman, got our name from a woman, and I came from a woman. I wonder why we take from our women, why we rape our women to hate our women.
Yeah, so you can see the red cast of it. It's not super bright, nothing crazy, but it's red. I feel like I probably should have processed it under heat, but it's good enough for our first time, and I do feel confident about coloring it now. It did just fine. And I also, this is the first time I was able, since I've had my Sisterlocks installed, to shampoo my hair without braid and banding. That is why I also colored it. She told me I was good to, see, make sure I ain't got no weird hairline. I was good to shampoo without it, and it feels amazing to do that.
When I look in the mirror, the only one there is me. Every freckle on my face is where it's supposed to be. And I know I created it and make no mistakes on me. My feet, my thighs, my lips, my eyes, I'm loving what I see. I straight from your video, and I ain't feel like a supermodel. But I learned to love myself unconditionally because I am a queen. And I'm the average girl from your video. My worth is not determined by the price of my clothes. No matter what I'm wearing, I will always be in the RE. Am I less of a lady if I don't wear pantyhose? My mama said a lady ain't what she wears but what she knows. But I've drawn the conclusion it's all an illusion. Confusion's the name of the game. A misconception, a mass deception. Something's gotta change.